In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a section on Wix Studio. If you've been reorganizing a page and want to clean things up quickly, removing an entire section is one of the fastest ways to do it, and the process is very straightforward. Inside the site editor, start by locating the section you want to remove. In Wix Studio, a section is one of those full-width horizontal blocks that stack on top of each other to build your page. To target the whole section, move your cursor over the empty area of that block or along its top or bottom edge, then click. Avoid clicking directly on text, images, or buttons inside the section because that selects only those individual elements rather than the section container. When you've clicked the correct area, you'll see a blue border appear that wraps around the entire section. Think of this border as your confirmation that the section itself, not just something inside it, is selected. If you don't see the border, simply click a little closer to the edge or on the background of the section until it appears. With the section selected and the blue outline visible, right-click to open the context menu and choose Delete. If you prefer using your keyboard, you can press the Delete key instead. The section will be removed, and the rest of your content will shift to fill the space, keeping your layout tidy. You'll see your design adjust instantly, and Wix Studio's smart spacing helps maintain consistent margins between the remaining sections. A couple of quick pointers to keep things smooth. Deleting a section also removes every element inside that section, so make sure you've selected the correct one before you proceed. If your delete key doesn't seem to do anything, it usually means the whole section isn't selected. Look for that blue border as your cue. Also, keep in mind that site headers and footers are special areas, not regular sections, so they won't behave the same way as the content sections on your page. Once the section is gone, take a moment to scan your page and confirm that the spacing and flow look the way you expect. A short visual check right after the change helps you stay confident that everything is in the right place, and that's all there is to it. Select the section so the blue border appears, then delete it from the right-click menu or with the delete key. Simple, quick, and effective.